Hi there, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations. I'm here at our latest project with Luke from Dulux. Hi, Luke.
G'day.
Hello. And we're talking all things roofs because your roof makes a huge difference to how your property looks. You can't renovate your home without considering your roof.
What we've done today is we're basically just replacing and repairing any damaged tiles.
Yeah.
The next step in the process, which is going to happen, will be to give the roof a full clean,
Yeah.
and then we'll be ready to start painting from there.
Oh my gosh. And I mean, it's so great to know that the roof is repaired so that it's going to perform, and then we're going to give it an amazing colour. And we've chosen Surf Mist, which is a favourite of ours. What type of roof do you need to have it restored? You know, concrete tiles,
Yep.
What's the different type of roofs that you deal with?
Typically we stick to concrete tiles as well as metal roofs as well. Whether they're colour bond or whether they're
Yeah.
straight up zinc gal, we treat those.
Well, as the saying goes, if it's worth doing, it's worth Dulux.
100%. Well done. Thank you.
Take a look at our roof. It looks brand new, and we couldn't have achieved our vision without making this change.